Just a day after President Uhuru Kenyatta appeared at the International Criminal Court at The Hague, the court had a relatively less busy day. This afternoon, the appeal chamber will be shifting gears to the case of Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Arap Sang. Edith Kimani is still at The Hague and now joins us live. Edith, what do we expect this afternoon from the court?
Yes, Ian, today what we're expecting is for the appeal chamber at the International Criminal Court to make a determination on whether or not the trial chamber judges were correct in compelling 9 witnesses to testify against Deputy President William Ruto. Let me just give you a bit of background as to how we got to this point. 9 witnesses withdrew their testaments, 9 of them, all of them, expected to testify against Deputy President William Ruto. They did cite that they had been paid to make some of these statements. They also said that they falsified the statements, so very serious allegations against prosecution. Now, Deputy President William Ruto's team was, however, not very happy with the decision that was made to compel them, obviously, to testify against him. And so they wrote to the appeals chamber asking that this decision be struck. And that's what we're waiting for today. But in the meantime, you will remember that the Deputy President's team had also asked that as we're waiting for this decision today, that the witnesses not be allowed to continue giving their testimonies. This, of course, was thrown out and the witnesses have continued giving their testimonies. 3 of them have appeared before the court via video link. They have been deemed as hostile witnesses. What this means is that the prosecution, while they have been cross-examining them, have been asking leading questions rather than open-ended questions. So what happens if the appeal chamber rules in Deputy President William Ruto's favor? It means that the witnesses will no longer be forced to testify, and the 3 who have already testified will have their submissions recanted. They wouldn't hold any water in that case. However, if the appeal chamber finds that the trial chamber judges were correct in issuing that decision, then the testimonies will continue as have been. And so that's what we're looking to see at around 2 p.m. Dutch time, which means by 3 p.m. we will know if the prosecution's case will be stronger or whether or not it will be broken down into little pieces.